Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to give you an update on my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Now these are the coins that I cleaned up yesterday. So you can see they've actually come out quite nicely. After I took them out of the bicarbonate of soda solution, I rinsed them all under hot water from the tap and then I dried them overnight on the draining board and they've come out really nicely. But yeah, you can see it's cleaned up really nicely, especially these old circulated coinage. They've come up really nice. Now, I'm not going to do this to all of my old circulated coins because they've come up a little bit too nice. They almost don't look like they're old circulated coins anymore. Now, this one in particular is from 1928. When it had that kind of tone in and that kind of dirt on it, actually looked like an old kind of silver circulated coin, whereas now it hasn't got that same effect. So I definitely won't be doing that to all of my half crowns because this looks like I've just kind of brought it from a bullion dealer and it's been printed this year instead of being all these years old. But yeah, it's still really cool and it's still really good to know that you can clean up your coins without damaging them just by literally resting them in a solution. You don't have to kind of rub them with anything. You're just kind of literally putting them in the solution and leaving it to it. So yeah, it's quite cool. It's quite interesting, really. I didn't put these ones in there, but these still look really good considering the years on them. But yeah, I'm definitely glad I did the experiment because a lot of these Britannias have been in the snow, they've been chucked around in many videos, they've been abused, so it's nice to actually give them a clean and give them a shine again. Show them a bit of love, if you like. And that is one of the reasons we buy silver, isn't it? Because it's such a shiny metal. It's really nice. Silver turns everyone into magpies. It makes you want to hold it and look at it. And it is one of the most reflective metals. Well, it is the most reflective metal of them all. So it's definitely nice to give them a clean every now and then, especially these bullion ones that get handled quite a lot. Another half crown, 1944. Look at that. Cleaned up really nice. This one hasn't cleaned up as nice. It's still got a bit of kind of tone into it, but like I said, I'm not going to clean up the rest of my half crowns. I've just cleaned up 5 of them to see how they looked. These ones I had to clean up because these are the ones that I put on my smoke waterfall. So they had all that residue on them and now they look as good as new, so I'm glad I did those. But yeah, I do think it was worthwhile. This one was really worse for wear before it went in. You can see it's still got a few little marks here and there, but for a coin that's this age, you don't expect it to be perfect. And I really like the fact that this one's got writing around the edges. Got quite a few of these. I've got quite a lot of these in mint sealed plastic. I will show you them at another date. I only put one in my YouTube stack. The rest I kept sealed because I thought it was quite cool that they were still mint sealed considering how old they were. He's cleaned up quite nice as well. There we go, that was one of them that I was wanting to clear up. Still not perfect, it has still got a few brown marks on it, but overall so much better than when I first picked it up. One of my favourite designs. I've got a 5-ounce version of this, and I first saw this design on World Money Wins. No, I think I already had, to be honest, I think I already had this one. I think I first saw the 5-ounce version on World Money Wins' channel. As soon as I saw it, I just had to get it. And the 5-ounce coin, this is a gorgeous coin in itself. The 1 ounce is such a nice looking design. There's so much going on. The wings, I love the little mirror effect here. The background here. These are actually in a series. And by far, in my opinion, this one's the best of the series. Just looks so nice. Such a nice looking coin. And it looks even more magnificent in the 5-ounce version. I didn't clean this one. This one's antiqued. Gorgeous looking coin. So yeah, there we go. And then we just got the bar. I didn't clean this up because it looks alright how it is, to be honest. So yeah, there we go. But yeah, like I said, in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, they're all packaged up already. There was 6 1-ounce coins being given away. They've all been packaged up. They've got lots of different layers of protection in there. They've got bubble wrap. The coins are taped to a bit of cardboard and they're wrapped again on top of the bubble wrap. So you can see they're all ready to go. And I was holding off because I wanted to get everyone's addresses so I could post them all at the same time. But I'm still waiting on, I think I'm still waiting on 3 people to get back to me. So only half of the people that actually won in the giveaway have contacted me and given me their address. So do let me know if you're one of those winners from the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Do contact me. My email address is in all of my videos. So it'll be in this video's description as well. Just drop me your address. And if you don't want to drop me your address for whatever reason, just let me know that also, because then I can stop kind of chasing the people that I'm waiting to get back to me. Because I know some people might not want to give out their address, and that's perfectly fine. I can send you over some money through PayPal so that you can buy yourself a 1-ounce silver coin or whatever you want to do. So just let me know if you've won, or if you've won and you don't want to receive the coin, let me know as well, and then I can kind of give it away to someone else. But yeah, there's 3 people left to get back to me. I think what I need to do is I need to work out which 3 haven't got back to me and actually comment on the original comments. But the problem is the giveaway video has got like 500 comments or something like that. So to find the people that have won on the list of comments is going to take quite a while. So yeah, we'll upload this video first and see if they get in touch. If not, I'll have to do that. I'll have to go through all the comments and kind of reach out to them in case they've missed the fact they've won. But yeah, they are all here. Bear with me. They're going to get, regardless of the other 3 people that I'm still waiting to get back to me, I'm going to post off the other ones at the end of this month. So we're talking about 5 days from now. So I'm going to give them another 5 days to get back to me. And then we'll start shipping these out. They're going all over the world. One of them's going to Australia. I think out of all 6 that won, out of the people that have contacted me, there's only 1 person in the UK. I think one of them's going to America, one of them's going to Australia, and then, like I said, one of them's going to the UK. So they're really going all over the place, which is really, really nice. And a lot of the people that won said that they'd only just started stacking, and I think one person said that they hadn't got any silver yet and they were just on the fence. So yeah, it's really cool that it's gone to people that are newer stackers. Oh, I'm using my old tripod here and it's on the way out. But yeah, there we go. Quick update on the giveaway. Like I said, get in touch if you was one of those people that won. For those of you that have already dropped me your address, they will be sent regardless of whether the other 3 people get back to me or not by the end of this month. So they will be with you very, very soon. So yeah, just bear with me on that. Appreciate your patience. So, and as always, thanks very much for all the support, and I hope you have a nice day.